Is that a fart?
Wait. Oh, eat up, fart girl. From Abercrombie. Who would have thought? First of all, that Abercrombie has good clothes. What? It is, you can like tell how stretchy it is. It is so soft. It feels like a blanket. What is that? This is the back. Fire. Oh, I love this fit.
Ooh.
I need to like tuck my shirt in. I don't know. Wow.
So cute. The wash on it is so cool.
This is so nice. I like it like that too. Like I like how it still sits on your waist. Like, you know when like it'll stay?
Yeah.
Hood test. Oh, hold on my hair. This is the tell-all. It's all right. I do like a good string so I can like make my face look like a butthole with my hood. Not my ashtray.
Oh, there's not a string?
No. 10 out of 10. This is a large tall. So this is like the only size they have left. They have like normal and then tall. This is a large tall. I've been needing to mail these off for so long. I need to leave the house. I haven't left the house in over 24 hours, so let's run some errands. Okay, I just got back from the post office and I needed more stamps. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Last time I bought stamps, they just like gave me the like American flag ones and didn't even let me pick cute ones. But now I guess you can pick, I don't know. Or maybe the last time I just got somebody who didn't care. Last time I got like American flag ones. These are so cute though. Who Wants a Letter? Great book, if you haven't read it. Today has been a day. Oh, be real, hold on. You guys wanna get my be real? Smile, ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Oh wait, that's blurry. Smile again. There you are. Wow, you guys look so good. I don't even like be real. It's kind of dumb. I do it sometimes, but then I do it, I'm like, what was the point of that? Like I post it and then I exit out of the app. I don't even go look at what other people are doing. I feel like it's really dark. Let me use my phone light. Oh man, I'm so excited. My new phone comes in the mail tomorrow. Look at this. Look how cracked. And my screen is so, like, you can't tell. My screen is so scratched up. Like, listen. Let me find it. Listen. That's a crack. Yeah, it's time. This is an 11. We're at 14 now, I think. Like, I work on my phone every single day. I think it's time for a new phone. Anyway, today's been a day. So I'm ready to start winding down. I need dinner, but I don't know what I want to make. Then my Bright Cellars box got delivered, and inside the box are the wine education cards, and with each bottle of wine it gives you a certain pairing that it pairs well with. Words are hard today, so I'm just gonna choose what I have for dinner based off these cards and based off like what food pairs with what. This one's fresh caught fish with lemon and dill. I don't know if I want that. I had sushi last night. Bacon wrapped sausage bites. No, it needs to be Sunday watching football for that. Feta and watermelon. Too summery. Mediterranean pasta salad. I had Mediterranean food 2 days ago. Lemon curd on ginger scones. That's breakfast. And spring rolls. That sounds kind of good. Or, ooh, jalapeno poppers. Jalapeno poppers or spring rolls. Let me read the rest. This French white wine balances crisp acidity and fresh citrus fruit in an absolutely stunning bouquet. On the palate, tastes like Libsyn lemon, hints of garden herbs, and lemon peel. Or, crispy citrus flavors in this zippy Verdejo are well balanced by mouth-watering acidity, perfect for fresh spring salads at brunch. Notes of lemon, lime peel, and hints of grass. I think I like this one more. This sounds like really summery and bright, which is great, but it is cold and dark in December. And jalapeno poppers just sound fire. I actually have a good recipe that I came up with probably, I think it was actually this time last year, and they were air fried jalapeno poppers. They're so good. So I'm gonna make those. I will show you guys how to make them, but I need to get this wine in the fridge. It says to serve at 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. There she is. Okay, while that wine's getting cold, I actually want to tell you guys a little bit about Bright Cellars. So this is my third box I've received, and each box contains 6 bottles of wine, but not just any 6 bottles. They're actually 6 bottles that are completely curated to me and my taste buds. I took a super quick quiz that asked questions about like certain flavor preferences I have, and then Bright Cellars matched me with different wines from small vineyards all around the world. Like I think the one that's in the fridge right now is from France, and the other one I was looking at that had spring rolls was from Spain. That's crazy. Each box comes with all these wine education cards too, and I actually like to keep them because then if I ever like gift the bottle or bring it to a party, I can actually come with a little bit of knowledge. Wine knowledge is a flex I didn't know I wanted nor needed. And honestly, since I've been like reading up on these, I feel like even when I go to restaurants, I know a little bit more. I know the other bottles that I received today are gonna come in handy this holiday season too, because I don't need to walk into any party empty-handed, and I don't need to stop at the store. If you're anything like me, you don't really know that much about wine. So before this, I was just one of those people that if the label was cute, I picked up the bottle. But now you don't even have to worry about that, because I think we can all admit a cute label does not mean good wine. Don't judge a book by its cover. Also, if you rate your wines after every box, Bright Cellars gets to know your taste even better. You could also choose the frequency that you want your boxes delivered, so don't feel like you're gonna have like a cajillion bottles if you don't drink them as they come. So thank you again, Bright Cellars, for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to check them out, they are giving you a limited time offer of 50% off your first 6 bottle box. I will link everything down below. I'm gonna go to the store real quick. I'm just gonna run, get jalapeno popper stuff, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to make them. Also, if you want to drink wine with me or have like a similar wine to what I'm drinking if you're making the jalapeno poppers, this is a light bodied white. The notes are lemon zest, dry herbs, and slate. It's a 2020, 3.2% alcohol. Okay, just got back from the store. I went grocery shopping hungry. This was stupid. I got Buffalo Ranch rice cakes. That sounds good. Got some white rice. I also got chicken. We're gonna have jalapeno poppers, but I figured like we need a real meal too, so I'm gonna make rice, chicken, and broccoli, and then the jalapeno poppers will be like on the side. I got some pancetta for the poppers. I got these because they look good. Got some Mott's chicken, jalapenos, and green onion, and Greek yogurt. Okay, I just cleaned up my chicken and I'm gonna throw it in a marinade while I make everything else. Because if you have time, why not? Some oil, some salt. I might just add pepper to this, honestly, keeping it kind of chill because the jalapeno poppers will have so much flavor. For now, I'm just use salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna throw these in the fridge. Okay, for the poppers, I know I said I was gonna go off that old recipe I did, but I realized 2 of the ingredients are like Trader Joe's exclusive, and I didn't go to Trader Joe's. So I think I'm just gonna riff a little bit. I got mozzarella, pancetta, as you saw. I'm gonna do some cream cheese, some Greek yogurt, some green onion, some garlic. I don't really know. It's gonna be good though. set the greens aside to garnish at the end, and then I'll put the rest, like the white part of the green onion, into the actual mix. I'm also crisping up some of that pancetta on like medium-high heat. It'll be done in like probably no more than 5 minutes. Here comes the fat girl. She wants food. I'm gonna get some fresh garlic in there too. Now I'm gonna add the pancetta. Doesn't look that appetizing. For my next act, I must wear gloves because my jalapeno allergy is so weird. It just, I think I talked about this in another vlog, but if you didn't watch that one, something with jalapenos now, I can eat them and I'm totally fine, but on my skin, if it touches, it's the inside, not the outside. If the inside, like the oils, even touch like here, it gradually spreads, and I've done it twice and I learned my lesson. So now I'm one of those people that wear gloves when they cook. I always thought those people were weird because I was like, why don't you just touch your food? Like you're gonna eat it anyway. But I guess now I get it. Okay, here they are. Oh my god, they smell so good. I'm gonna let them sit to the side, and then I'm gonna cook the chicken and everything else. And then when the chicken's resting, I'll throw these in for probably like 8 minutes. Let's try the wine first.
Okay.
Let's just get like
Get it on our palate.
just neutral.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh wow, that's really good. There's a fuzz in mine because I forgot to rinse this cup out. Sorry.
I think I have a link hair. I think I have a couple link hairs. Oh. You didn't rinse them? Absolutely have to rinse them.
Next time.
Okay, I feel like I should go for this.
Yeah, I feel like it might be hot though. It's okay?
Not bad. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm taking a sip. God, you're good.
So good. Wow.
It changed that.
Yeah. It like mellowed it out.
It's nice with the jalapeno.
Are there more of these?
Oh my god, this is so good.
So good.
I meant to say too, when you're making like the popper mix, you could also throw some of those seeds back in there if you want it to be like super spicy.
This is a kick.
I didn't even add it back in because every time Alex and I get jalapenos from this market,
they're so spicy.
they are so spicy.
Oh my god.
Look at that. The rice is garlic herb, broccoli super simple, and the chicken is really simple too. I just didn't know like how crazy these poppers were gonna be.
It's perfect because this could like be rich.
Yum. I'm like not even hungry. I just want a snack. I just start my period, so I just want to eat everything. And I forgot I got these. It smells kind of weird. Ooh, that one has so much seasoning. Look at that. Go get them. Oh, Alex, the other night when you were out, I left you half.
Oh, thanks.
It was like the little cupcake one.
Yeah,
It
it was
just
another cupcake one.
it just tastes like Nutella. You want to have the other one now too?
Sure. Wait, which way? Which way?
Well, do we want to end? Okay, so our dilemma right now is that cupcake one is actually the next one too. Like they gave us two. And in the order we've been going, that would mean we're having the same one now again. Or we can go the other way and have it the last day. But I don't think it's worth the last day.
No. Yeah.
So let's just have it
Let's just have it
again.
now. It'll be like 2 days in one.
Right. For you. I thought the paper was still in it.
I should just eat this whole thing, and then I should have given you the half of it.
Oh, yeah. Is it the same? Yeah, it's literally exactly the same. It's good though. This one is good room temp.
Pistachios next.
Pistachios.
I have been waiting for this day for so long.
No, when you were out that night, I literally said, I was like, could you imagine if right now was a pistachio?
Pissed.
I wouldn't have done it. Oh my god. It's kind of hitting. It's hitting harder now though, because I'm like craving chocolate more.
Yeah. I think giving ourselves like a couple days break was necessary.
Yeah, but like, we can't do that. I'm supposed to have it every day.
Yeah.
I said it makes me
I was
want to do it year round, but then I was like, wait, no way.
I was starting to feel like sluggish.
I was starting to feel like, I don't wanna, like it was a chore.
Yeah. But now like that made me happy.
Not bad with the wine. I always thought chocolate went with red wine. It's fine.
I already finished my class.
Look how weird Link is laying. She just woke up, but she's been sleeping like this. That's weird, Link. Are you cozy, Mom? Are you cozy, babe? There's a snoot right there, so that's good. I love you.